Hi, this is the CROSSCALL Core M5 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first we should launch Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Go to the settings and tap to voice section. Click here to voice match and tap to Hey Google switcher. After that, tap to more I agree, continue. And here you'll see that the Hey Google option successfully enabled, and if you want Assistant to recognize your voice like in my case, you should just click here to voice model and to add your voice model. So tap to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set the timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to finish. And now when you'll say OK Google or Hey Google, you could see that this option successfully enabled. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.